Imagine a machine solving problems in seconds, but failing a simple human task. Who is really smarter? The answer may shock you. AI is changing the world at incredible speed, but can it truly replace human intelligence? Discover the truth behind one of technology's biggest debates. Artificial intelligence learns from massive amounts of data, while humans learn from experience, emotions, and creativity. That's the biggest difference. Here's the shocking part. AI can detect diseases, translate languages, and analyze millions of documents faster than people. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA are driving this AI revolution. But that's not all. Humans still lead in imagination, ethics, empathy, and common sense. Artificial intelligence doesn't truly understand feelings. It recognizes patterns. A common myth says, artificial intelligence will replace everyone. The hidden secret is that artificial intelligence works best when humans and machines work together. Imagine doctors using AI to find diseases earlier, engineers designing smarter cities, and entrepreneurs building amazing businesses. The next generation of success will belong to people who know how to use AI wisely, not fear it. Artificial intelligence is incredibly powerful, but human intelligence remains unique. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI working with humans to achieve unbelievable possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights.